What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my people. Big up on yourself. You don't know what's the attacking boss there, you know. The man, the one and only NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. And I mean say attack. Some people, here what go on now. Couple second video sent to my people. Cause you don't know, so when I see the video them and them sent to my people, I once time I see it fit and if we talk about this topic, I definitely going to talk about it. And worse, if it's an attack my people, I definitely going to attack it. And right now I'm going to attack it my people. So, couple second of video sent to my people. Big old thinking man in a Jamaican man. Cause them see a yard in my people. So even if I'm a yard or where what happen, but them see a yard my people. Zane, big old thinking Greeking man in the video, my people. Zane, attack NEWLINK. The same thing have one puss, one cat. Zane, I say the nastiness have one cat, my people. You know you have the cat, though? Him have the cat, so. You see, you know a man have them breasts or whatever and call it titty. And you know the cat, though, my people? The cat, I suck it. Like, pan it. And the same thing I getting an emotion and a short eye. You get what I'm saying, my people? So this same thing do this thing, my people. And I hope the necessary authorities them who respond to the animals them, my people, can find it and cub it and go fling it in a jail, my people. Zin? Really and truly. So what I'm doing for fun or a joke, which me not see this as no fun, a straight attack for your nasty man. Let me tell you this, people. Straight attack. Zin? This can't be no fun because I tell us the same thing, the dirty boy. Zin, my people, I catch emotion. The boy you close there, you not open them. You know when you get what I'm saying, my people. You know real man. We not love. And I make love, my people. You know when the vibes all there, you did the woman and you caress her and you feel in the mood. I saw the cat make the boy feel, you know. I see I saw the post up on the boy. And the post like it too, you know. I don't know if the post find milk out of them, they sitting out of the man. I don't know. But the post dip on it. And he might drag, you know. I said, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. My people, this is not a joke thing. This is not a fun thing. This is not a play thing. A straight attack. Because I know how lot of man going, especially Jamaica, you know. When you don't see one fella, you know, all you know one fella, you know, any boy. I'm telling this, sir. Anyone who know, I go out with them something, a straight attack for you. Because I noticed the other day, my people, when I just say one idiot, fool come. Because the fool sent me video to you, know. About this bomb thing. He sent me the video before everybody find out who, you know. Like he send me it and expect say never come so boom no one. You know what I mean, the people? And then me say now he might come for a prank. Then you say one go on up a set me, then you say one go on in a mobile. That's how we fool. You understand? Exclude you know what I mean? The foolism and the stupidness we're not having on the brain cell. Love follow fashion. You get what me I say? Wanna follow too much. So, me believe my people, so they need to charge this same thing, you know. For this, fine him, lock him up. And then a joke thing, an animal that. You can't have cat. The boy must have, the boy I tell him asleep the cat, my people. I not trust the boy. The boy I do something with the cat different, my people. Once and the boy have a cat pan the nipple, have a cat done there, so too. Your boy, you understand? Your boy, the video busted, the video leak with the boy. And anybody want me send them the video right now. IG, follow NEWLINK production over at Instagram. Me tell this, my people. If me not coming out and vlog what me do, and I said, Zane, me talk straight. If me do a vlog, and I don't tell you all, follow the IG and I will DM the video, please don't ask me for the video. If you hear me talk now, say follow me. You know what I say it now? DM me. If you follow me already, just DM me now. And you will get the video. If you don't follow me, and you DM me for the video, you're not going to get it. See? But if you hear I do a vlog, and I don't mention nothing about DM and this and that, I ain't have no video for send nobody. You understand? Because there's certain video I get, and I get rules on them. You understand? Because these videos sent from credible people sometimes. And them say NEWLINK, we just share it with you for you to talk about, but not for you to. And once and them tell me that, my people, then there goes it, I cannot. You understand? Because people, they must tell me a reason, you know, why I should not share it. You understand? So therefore I can't. You get what I'm saying? If I get authorization with them say NEWLINK, yes, you can then. That's why we always do the vlog. Because people intend it sometimes. You see, when me drop a topic, when it sounds so interesting and I talk about I saw in the video, like me do the vlog, I'm say, yeah, I'm see the video, I watch the video, but you never hear me say, yo, DM me. Please, I can't. You understand? Because if the authorities there say some woman share something with me are necessary, some certain that people. But me, you know what I mean, my people, you have to understand how the attacking basket to work. You have to understand. You have to really understand. But back to basic now, my people, and with this same thing and with the cat. Me tell us that this same thing, I want all crosses. I want Cumberland, my people. Cumberland, when me see it, me look on it, you know, and see this same thing feels so great. Feel so good. I eat have a video too, you know, because I like the same thing of a take selfie or the same thing put the phone over there so and the cat upon him and I say the same thing close the eyes so emotional lick him the way I cat a deal with it, my people. Look, yo, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. People, when me look on this thing, I know a lot of time, you know, we do the vlog, you know, and we say look one donkey, you know, done this or one dog, we can go there. But people not real, yo, me don't know saying take them thing as serious and gone to the animal them for real. Poor little cat. The poor little cat. Pan a big old thinking sin thing nip. And you want to see the same thing too. If you ever crow bait. You understand? If you ever went junk and want to find food for them and can't find none, then get think and want bait. I said the same thing look. No joke about a straight attack, man. Me say thing bad, my people. You understand? The thing hurt me. You get me? I say, you see my cat them. I love my cat them, you know, my people. Me have my cat them, you know, my animal them. I love them, you know. Cat the same thing, I pet them. You understand? You can't have cat and I catch it to the woman. You can't cat. You better go buy one false dolly if you want a woman and you know none, brother. Go buy one false one, you have the false on them now. But you have the cat. A feed part attack for your same thing. I say a straight attack for you. Anywhere you're there, a straight attack. You understand? Anywhere you're Jamaica, you're there, you know. Or if you run left Jamaica and go somewhere in one gully, you know. Or you gone in the sea, you know, and go and swim across the stuff and go across the border, you know. A straight attack for you, you know. You understand? God, this is not fun. This is not joke. And the people are going to look on him. When see the same thing, see the same thing there. You understand? That's the same thing. That's cat, man. That's cat lover, my people. You understand? That's not beard. You know what I mean? That's crow bait. That's canko. You understand? That's the cat. Yo, I can't even know a straight attack for your same thing. Attack. When you attack it, my people, no fun, no joke, no laughing. A straight attack. You don't know the thing, go. Big up on yourself, my people. And remember to do like, do share, do comment, do subscribe, and do attack it, my people. Attack, and don't stop attack. Peace out.